Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check for unpaid balance on iPhone. And here's how it is done. To check for an unpaid balance on your iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID, your name at the top of the screen. Select Payments and Shipping. If there's an unpaid balance, a red notification will typically appear here indicating that payment is due. You can also update or verify your payment methods. Check in the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. If you have an unpaid balance, you will see a message at the top stating that you need to update your payment information before making any purchases. You may also see a red notification badge on your profile icon if there is an issue. Tap on your Apple ID, scroll down, and select Purchase History. If there's an unpaid balance, you will see the amount due here. Update payment information to settle the balance. If there's an unpaid balance, you can resolve it by updating your payment method. Go to Settings, Apple ID, Payment and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Method or update the existing method to ensure payment goes through. This will help you identify and settle any unpaid balances on your iPhone. And that is everything you need to know about how to check for unpaid balance on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.